Hey guys, so what I'm gonna do is I am going to attempt to sugar my own face so you can see me doing it, and then you can watch how how I'm able to do this on my own self. So give me a minute here. I'm going to go ahead and just wipe all some of this excess makeup that I have. I was just working earlier, so I gotta take this all off. I'm gonna grab some gloves first, and then what I'm gonna be doing is get some oil remover. I like to use an oil remover. Get all that makeup and stuff. Make sure your client's hair is pulled back like this, just because you don't want to capture some of these hairs into the sugar. Mind you, I don't do eyebrows. The reason why I don't do eyebrows is because when you do the eyebrows, a lot of the sugar will end up seeping into the areas where the hair are right here. And then when you do sugar it, well, for me, you'll end up not having a crisp line going across. It'll end up, a little jagged kind of look to it. So that's why I don't like doing the eyebrows. Everything else I love doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. This is what I use to wipe my face with. So this is what I like, my favorite stuff. So if you have this, use this. But whatever you have for any of the sugar paste products that you do use, go ahead and use that. So this is my go-to. Wipe it, take it all, take my makeup off. So there's all my makeup. Make sure you completely dry that stuff off, So make sure you have your 2 gloves on. Grab your sugar. This is traditional, so I'm gonna use this. Remember, I like to put my whole hand inside of it and then pull it out. I like to use an egg yolk size. So that's what I'm gonna use for my face. It's about this much. If you guys have a fan, put that around you, around your face area, or in the back, in your background, so you don't get too hot. So I'm going to turn on my fan. I have a fan in the background here. And if you're using your sugar, you're always going to have it move downwards. Don't have it go up like this a lot, okay? See how it's all moving down already? You want to always keep it. You always want to keep the sugar like this. Okay, here we go. See, I'm holding my hairline right here so I don't sugar my hairline. Okay. Do this side. See, I'm using my finger. I'm not pushing hard at all. if you're a waxer and you sugar, if you know how to wax your own eyebrows, cool. That would be ideal, you know, for you guys to just do your eyebrows or have your clients do their eyebrows with the wax or have it threaded. That's what I do. Is I tell my clients to use somebody who does waxing or threading in the brow area. You gotta go very gentle here in this spot because it's very tender and the skin is a lot thinner. You want to flick very gentle in this spot. The shirt I use is traditional. You hear the fan going behind me? It's keeping me cool because if I get hot, then my sugar is going to melt too fast. Now I'm going to go other side. Now, if your sugar is starting to get tacky like this, take this sugar and put it with this right here, a new ball of sugar with your existing sugar that you have, and then just mix it together. Then it's going to loosen up some more. So now I'm going to do the other side. When I did this, it took me years to figure out how to do face sugaring. But on my course, I show you how to do this on clients. Sometimes you guys have to be careful. You see that, how you get stuck? Right? So what I do is remold it. Remold. Hold your mouth tight right here. And you flick. Area. Okay, here you go. Get sugar in your mouth, it's okay, it's all organic. Look at the sugar. Remember how gold it used to be? Look, all that dirt and the dead hair, or the hair that's in there. I can see it, but you guys can't probably. But it's in here. But look at that color change. I'm trying to be as transparent as possible so you guys can actually see how much hair I'm pulling off my own face, so you know that I'm doing this right and I'm not stopping anything in here, so you don't see like, oh, she stopped it and she's probably doing it a different way or whatever. But Now I just gotta see if there's any floating sugar around here. Okay, I'm gonna do the lip area. Watch this, I like to do it like this. You know, I do it this way is because if you did it on yourself going up and down, and then on this side you go up and down, this is going to get stuck and then it's going to start running downwards. See, like that. And that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna do a quick spot check in some areas and then we're pretty much finished. So on my temple area, I just want to double check. I use my finger, get in there, make sure it's no little peach fuzz. I love doing the faces. It's pretty cool. My clients love this. They've tried the dermaplaning and they told me that wasn't something that they really liked because the hair grew back thicker and too fast. But this one here will last for a long time and their makeup goes on smoother and their face look a lot cleaner. Sideburns, I hate these sideburns. I'm gonna get them. I'm gonna try to get as much as I can. So I'm purposely grabbing hair over here, okay? I felt that. I felt that. Sideburns right there. That was a lot. That was a lot. Anyways, yeah, just gonna clean up this and then we're finished. If you don't practice doing this and you do this sugaring to yourself, just don't bruise yourself. You might bruise yourself, so be careful. Take smaller sections. Don't take big sections like I did, just because once you get more advanced, then you can take bigger sections. Don't start off big and then all of a sudden your sugar's stuck and then your face is being pulled all over the place. So I gotta show you guys really something. So this is the spent sugar, okay? And this is what it was before. That's the difference. That's all my dead skin and makeup and hair. And here's the clean sugar. I hope that helps you guys when it comes to, like, you know, does she do face sugaring? Yes, I do face sugaring. It's one of my favorite services I do for my clients. I have a lot of them and they're pretty awesome to do. Have a good day, you guys. I will make more videos for you.